I love the series so much. We're back for another one. It's number 3 in my Shoulda Had a Sax Solo, right? series. And this time it's my sax solo over Michael McDonald's I Keep Forgettin. It's just such an awesome, groovy track. I just could not resist putting a sax solo on it. And let's be honest, it should have had a sax solo anyway, shouldn't it? Of course it should. It's such a good track. So I hope you enjoyed this one this week. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, and if you want some more of me, you can join the Inner Circle membership, where there's some really, really cool features. There's guests, there's monthly Q&As, there's all sorts of access to me, backstage, you name it. And I always forget to say that there is a free 7-day trial running on the Inner Circle membership, so you can try it for a week, full access, and make sure that it's for you before you dive in. So go and check out the free 7-day trial on the Inner Circle membership now. And if you want a PDF of my solo on I Keep Forgettin, then use the link that you can see there. All these links are also in the description of the video. So go and check out those resources. Now, without further ado, let's hear the full solo that I've put together. I played it on tenor, so if you're an alto player, you know, you're going to be all right. I think it's still quite high in alto, but if you play tenor, it does go up quite high. I think it goes up to a top C or something like that. So it's a bit altissimo-tastic. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoy it. I'll put the music down the bottom as I play it. And of course, don't forget to go and get your free PDF. Right, here it is. This is the Shoulda Had a Sax Solo number 3 on Keep Forgettin by Michael McDonald. Let's have it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the third edition of Shoulda Had a Sax Solo. If you look up at the card now, that is the playlist for all the other ones that I've done and will be doing, because I think it's quite a fun series, even though it's just a bit of a laugh, really. If you bought me a coffee, thank you so much. You can use the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description, or use PayPal. Both links are there. I really appreciate it. You're very kind. And if you think I'm worth it, get us a nice cup of joe. Once again, if you want to join the Inner Circle membership, use the link that you can see there or the link in the description. And remember, it's a free 7-day trial. You don't have to pay anything. You can check it out and make sure it's for you. And I'm telling you, it's absolutely wicked. So make sure you use that link. Okay, until next week, make sure you guys practice hard, practice smart, and enjoy your music. I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. Take it easy. There is a free 7-day... That's 8. Get it together, Anderson.